Hi everyone, today I will tell you about the powerful combination of LiveChatAI and Slack. If you want to improve your team's efficiency and communication, let's begin. In just a few minutes, your team can access all the information right from your Slack workspace, like internal documents, frequently asked questions, reports, and articles. Setting up LiveChatAI with Slack is super simple. If you already have a LiveChatAI account, connect it to your Slack workspace in under a minute. But remember, you need to be the workspace owner in your Slack app. So on your existing LiveChatAI agent, just click on Embed and Integrate. And then continue with Add Slack. And then continue with Add to Slack. If you have more than one Slack workspaces, then choose the right workspace and then click Allow. Okay, continue with Connect LiveChatAI bot, and then we will need API key and AI bot ID. So I'm going back to LiveChatAI's website. We will just copy to clipboard. After entering your API key and AI bot ID, click Submit. Okay, we have connected LiveChatAI with Slack. So in order to ask LiveChatAI questions, you need to invite them to a channel. For this, we'll just mention it. So when you mention LiveChatAI like this, it asks you to add it to the channel. Okay, now that it's on the channel, let's ask some questions. Okay, in order to ask questions, we need to use this command, and then after that, just enter your question. Okay, and here is our answer in the thread. Remember, you can change your Slack bot's name and you can add an image. So that's how easy integrating LiveChatAI with Slack. Thanks to this integration, you can have efficient internal communication, you can streamline HR inquiries, you can boost workplace productivity and get tailored responses. Go ahead, try LiveChatAI Slack integration and let us know what you think.